Hey there, welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing a common problem that many of us might have encountered at some point. The problem we'll be tackling today is the frustration of accidentally deleting an important file on our computer. Whether it's a work document, a chair's photo, or a crucial presentation, losing a file can be a major headache. But fear not, because we have a solution that can help you recover those deleted files and put your mind at ease. So, let's dive in and explore how you can retrieve your precious data. In situations where you've unintentionally deleted a file, the solution lies in utilizing a data recovery software. These programs are specifically designed to scan your storage device and locate any files that have been marked as deleted but are still recoverable. By running a deep scan using a reliable data recovery tool, you can increase your chances of successfully recovering the lost data. Remember, it's crucial to act quickly to prevent the deleted files from being overwritten by new data, as this can make recovery more challenging. The key to successful file recovery is to stop using the storage device immediately after realizing the files are deleted. Continuing to write or save new data on the same drive can significantly reduce the chances of recovering the deleted files. By following this simple yet crucial step, you'll give yourself the best possible chance of retrieving your lost data. Additionally, always ensure you have a backup system in place to prevent future data loss incidents. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. To wrap it up, losing a file can be a stressful experience, but with the right tools and knowledge, you can often recover what you thought was gone forever. By using data recovery software and acting swiftly, you can increase your chances of restoring your deleted files successfully. So, next time you encounter this problem, don't panic. Remember that there's a solution at your fingertips. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below sharing your own file recovery experiences. Remember, a backup a day keeps the data loss away.